Mark stares at his alarm clock. The red numbers glow in the dark. 3 a.m. His bedroom is a silent vault, but inside his head, it is deafening. His mind races, sprinting through a marathon of tomorrow's deadlines and unfinished tasks. The weight of the world feels heavy on his chest as he lies awake in the shadows, searching for a way to quiet the storm. He reaches out, his thumb scrolling through a playlist until he finds a track labeled Inner Peace. As the soft, melodic notes fill the cold air, Mark closes his eyes. He takes a deep breath and whispers, "I am in control of my calm." He repeats it again and again, focusing on the vibration of his own voice. By the fifth repetition, his grip on the blanket finally loosens. This is the practice of affirmations. These are not just words, they are simple, positive statements designed to challenge and dismantle negative thought patterns. To begin, you must identify a specific goal. If you struggle with health, tell yourself, "I nourish my body with healthy choices." If anxiety claws at you, declare, "I choose peace over fear." You are taking the first step toward a new reality. Do not just think these words. You must speak them into the air. Your subconscious mind acts like a mirror, reflecting every word you feed it daily. It does not judge, it simply accepts what you tell it as truth. Every morning, before you even touch your phone or check a single notification, stand in front of a mirror. Look yourself directly in the eyes. State 3 clear intentions for your day with absolute conviction. Do this again at night as the world grows quiet, right before you drift into sleep. When you feel overwhelmed or lost in the chaos of life, stop, breathe, reset your frequency. You are not just talking to yourself in an empty room. You are actively rebuilding the very foundation of your mental house. You are the architect of your own peace, and the mirror is where the transformation begins. Consistency is your only requirement. Start today. Speak your reality into existence and watch as your life begins to follow your lead. The power is yours.